In this moment you will learn how to get the maximum bonus at the bookmaker 1xBT. There are several types of registration available here. Well, I will probably click sign up to make it more clear to you. We are starting to register. Fill in all the main fields and go to the most interesting. Click on the bonus button and two types of bonuses are offered to us here. The first is a bonus for sports betting, which is credited to sporting events. For this, you can get up to $200 on your first deposit, which is suitable for those who like to bet on hockey, football and similar sports. Then we have the second. A bonus for the 1x Games Casino. Do you like to play 1x slots and casino slots? Then you can safely choose it. For this you will receive up to $2,000 on your first deposit and over 100 free spins. Now, the most basic is a promo code that will give you all the bonuses listed above. The GAMAL promo code to receive all these bonuses will be in the description and in the comments. Confirm all the checkboxes and register, make your first deposit and get all those goodies using promo code GAMAL. And with this promo code you will also have 100% every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. I repeat, the promo code GAMAL will be in the description or in the pinned comment. Successful victories, my friend.